Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on eBay and HIP from Friday the 25th of February through Sunday the 27th of February. As you can see on the screen, on eBay, 52 orders, $695. I had one sale on HIP for $9.99. So we will call it 53 orders for $705 for the weekend. Pretty good. Okay, let's get started. This is Clewiston, Florida. Seminole Restaurant Comic Greeting. And this sold for $650 on a best offer. Lakewood, New Jersey, 1910 View the Bridge Head of Navigation. That, and that sold for $3 on a best offer. Next, Lake Tahoe, Nevada, Multi-View Nevada Lodge Casino Hotel. It's been up for probably 8 years, 7-8 years, and $4 on a best offer. Large letter greetings from Albuquerque, New Mexico, Vintage Linen. Got these in the same big lot as all the dual view banner greetings. It was like 2 boxes of greetings from places. Probably paid, I don't know, a dime to 15 cents each. $3.50 best offer. This is Edgewater, Maryland, YMCA camp. Let's looking toward the bay. So it's Camp Let's looking toward the bay. And that sold for $11.79. Next, Huntington, West Virginia, Kessler Hospital and Sanatorium, $12.99. Huntington, West Virginia, I would consider a bolo town. I've always done fairly well with Huntington, West Virginia cards. $12.99 for that card. Norfolk, Virginia, Convoy Escort Navy Ships Pier, Norfolk Navy Base. 1950s and $8.99 for that card. Large letter greetings from Beach Haven, New Jersey, linen, $14.99. This came in a lot of large letter greetings from Jersey beachy towns that I bought for, I think it was $2 to $3 each, and this was $14.99. Topton, Pennsylvania, Administration Building Lutheran Orphans Home, $8.79 for this card, or $8.49, I'm sorry. Next, New Orleans, Louisiana, Old Absinthe House, real photo. Person bought 2 very similar views. Might have been taken on the same day, I'm not sure. But this one is a, no, you can barely see the stamp box. I was going to call it a blank back, but it's a postcard. $20 best offer on that one. And then they bought this one, which I only had listed for $6.99. So I think I messed up. I should have had this one priced much higher. Just curious if those are the same vehicles. Very well could be. This could have been taken on the same day. Interesting. Maybe. I don't know. $6.99 for that one. So those 2 went to the same person. This is John F. Kennedy Space Center, NASA 7 original astronauts. $6 best offer on that one. Same person bought this Apollo 11 moon landing that I got in the auction lot in August of last year. $229. I think a best offer $225 on that one, and then a best offer of $225 on this one, which is the Apollo 9 Spider moon landing craft. This is Vermilion, South Dakota, band shell, real photo. And barely see the stamp box also. $7.99 for that card. Branchville, New Jersey, aerial view selected risks insurance company home. Just sold one of these. I think it was within the last 2 weeks. and sold the last one I had, $10.99 for that postcard. This is Beach Haven, New Jersey, Baldwin Hotel, pre-1908. Look how bad condition this is. Corners are all messed up. Still got $8.19. In good condition, this is $20 to $50 postcard. $8.19 is what I got for my poor condition card. This is New York City, New York Polo Grounds, National League Baseball Park. I can't remember the player in the inset. I got this from the postcard dealer's widow. He was trying to get $40, and he only sold at shows. But I got $19.99, which is more realistic. Danville, Virginia, Main Street, large Coca-Cola billboard. There's that. And that sold for $5 on a best offer. This is Arizona, Oregon Pipe Cactus Desert Real Photo. There's a crease across the center, which I did not mention. Hopefully the buyer had noticed it. $5 on a best offer. World War II era U.S. Naval Training Station, Great Lakes Living Anchor. And when you see these postcards made up of a whole bunch of people and they form some type of scene, here's an anchor, they're called living portraits. And I took a best offer of $8.99. You mostly see these military related. $8.88 for that card. This is Pittsfield, Illinois, Walgreens System Drugstore Barbershop Real Photo, $23.99. So there's that card, and there's the back. Yeah, $23.99 for that card. Ephrata, Pennsylvania, Foodergong, it's the name, restaurant. And it's Hayloft Gift Shop. And it's been up for probably 7 years. $6.99 for that card. Another Ephrata, Pennsylvania, view of Farmers Market, 1950s, Razors, Gifts, Toys. And this sold for $6.99. This is Rogersville, Tennessee, Scenic Greetings from Rogersville, Tennessee. It has almost like a metallic look to the sky, but it's 1920s, 30s white border card. $8.49. Charlestown, West Virginia, Turf Club Horse Race Track, West Virginia. There's that one. I did probably pay 50 cents at Antique Mall. Cherry picked that dealer. $6.74 for that card. Kansas City, Missouri. Airview view northeast from Baltimore Hotel, circa 1910s. $9.74 for that card. Same buyer bought this one. Kansas City Airview looking southeast from Baltimore Hotel. And this one's been up for 7 or 8 years, and $6.99 for that card. Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey, Sandy Hook Lady Paddle Wheeler. And sold for $5.99. Next, Hong Kong View Inner Harbor Floating Casino Macau Palace. I'm not sure if this is on Macau. I'm sure it doesn't look like this anymore. $15.99 for that card. It's a continental size. This is Patriotic Military, World War I, AEF. Doughboys in Trench, Over the Top Girl. A little dirty. Used. $12.99. Bought it for approximately 80 cents at the York Postcard Show. This is Enon, Oklahoma. East Randolph Street, 1920s. $6.99 for that card. This is Beaver, Pennsylvania. Dual View Greetings, World War II Memorial and Main Street. Another old card, probably 7-8 years on eBay. $4 best offer. Detroit, Michigan. Real Photo, Detroit Institute of Arts. Yet another 6 or 7 or 8 year old card with a hideous red background. $4 best offer. Lead, South Dakota. This is the Homestake Gold Mine and Open Cut Miners. There's them, 1950s, 60s, probably 60s. $5.99 for that card. This is Ricky Hunter, wrestler, Canadian professional wrestler Charles Sprott. This is his real name. It's a blank back postcard or arcade card. He actually just died probably within the last, probably about a week or two before I listed this card. Got it at the DC, or at the York Postcard Show, $14.99. This is Hawaii, Alexandra Young Hotel, circa 1940s real photo. And took a best offer of $20 for this card. Let me see, Ashland, Pennsylvania, 12th and Center Streets, 1910. $14 best offer on this card. Next is St. Patrick's Day, Aaron Gobran, Irishman, artist sign, Bernhardt Wall. And let me show you a Wall signature here. Usually you're just going to see Wall, the name Wall by itself. Here's one of the occasions where you'll see the full name Bernhardt Wall. For the longest time, I thought Wall, I always saw B Wall or just Wall. I always thought it was a female, but here it's Bernhardt. $8.50 best offer. This is Texas Mini Golf Course, San Angelo, Abilene, Fort Worth. So multi-view showing different courses. $8.99 for that card. This is Arlington, Virginia, National Cemetery, Tomb Unknown Soldier. Linen card, probably 1960s, late 50s, early 60s, I'm thinking. $4.99. This is the Florida Everglades Royal Palm Hammock, Corwin, Seashells, Coral Store. Ooh, that was a mouthful. And that sold for $18.99, like a roadside attraction thing. Olympics, let me see, this is Postcard, Olympic-sized swimming pool, the Inn at Buck Hill Falls. 1950s, best offer of $10. Patriotic Military World War I Doughboys AEF, which again stands for American Expeditionary Forces. Soldiers driving truck, real photo. Got this at the York Postcard Show. Average price 80 cents for this card. It has been trimmed, I think both along one side and the bottom, and it was stuck in an album. Put it up at auction and went for $27.88. And if this was a ambulance and if the card was in better shape, you're probably talking a $50 to $75 card. And this is Kenosha, Wisconsin, Women's Club Scientist Church, real photo. Another card that came from the York Postcard Show. Paid 80 cents for it, $14.99. One bidder at auction. Next, Eagle River, Wisconsin, Beach and Dock, Big Bass Resort, real photo. Also came from the York Postcard Show. Paid 80 cents and got $14.99 at auction. Rochester, Wisconsin, First Congregational Church, real photo. Sound like a broken record, but this also came from the DC Big Flea, York Postcard Show. Paid 80 cents. Got $14.99. And again, Rhinelander, Wisconsin, Driveway, Blasings, Shorewood, Vista, Lake George, real photo. It's like a resort of some sort. Paid 80 cents and got $14.99. One bidder at auction. I believe you call this Horicon, Wisconsin, Zion English Lutheran Church, real photo. This one had several hundred views. All the other cards that I had at auction had 20, 30 views. For some reason, this one had 200 views. Had one watcher and one bidder and got $14.99. Paid 80 cents at the York Postcard Show. Billings, Montana, Irrigation Canal and Flume, 1907. $10.99, and this went to Julie Norman, thank you very much, Julie. Make sure you check out Julie's channel. She does a lot of postcard videos and about post crossing or cross posting. I can never remember what that is, but I'll link Julie's channel in the description below. So go give her a look, subscribe to her channel, all that good stuff. And again, Julie, thank you very much. Your card will be in the mail this morning. $10.99 for that card. This is South Amboy, New Jersey, Madison Township, Claire and Kobe's Inn Restaurant. Multi-view, and $5.99 for that card. Sold a hockey card. This is Nick Suzuki 2019-2020. Upper Deck Canvas Young Guns rookie card. Just pulled this out of a pack the other day and right onto eBay. $89.95. I was about $5 to $10 lower than most sales, but wanted to get the money back for all the money I wasted on hockey cards over the last year. So $89, it's going to Canada, and they paid $12 in shipping. 3 Kittens on Couch postcard, and $6.99 for that card. Atlanta, Georgia, Prudential Building, pre-1908, $6.99. And had one sale on HIP, New Bedford, Massachusetts. This cotton mill, and got $9.99 for that card. So overall, again, great sales. $705 over the weekend. And talking about weekends, let's talk, just a reminder, go to postcardhistory.net. It's an online magazine. A lot of good information on here about postcards. And probably one of the better things is the show calendar. So let's talk about upcoming postcard shows. March 5th, which is just this next weekend, Havre de Grace, Maryland. I usually set up to vend at this show. I am not going to do that. I just don't make the money I can make by going and cherry picking dealers. I am undecided if I'm going to this one or not. Just don't know yet. And then there's one March 11th and 12th, Plano, Texas. March 12th, 2022, Hagerstown, Maryland. I was also asked to show to vend at this one, but I declined. It's more of a stamp show than anything. There's, at the times I've been there, have been 2 to 3 postcard dealers. I expect that many this time too. Free admission, you can't go wrong if you're in the area. And I'm also undecided if I'm going to that one. Dulles, Virginia, March 12th, DC Antique Photo Postcard and Civil War Show. I've never been to this one, and I'm not sure if I'm going to make it this year either. If I would not have purchased the aviation postcards, I think I'd be there in a heartbeat. But I just have so much that I want to get listed. March 18-19, Houston, Texas. And March 25th and 26th, Lancaster, the more Latin postcard show. So a lot of shows coming up. When you get out there and support the postcard dealers and buy lots of postcards to flip. Okay, that's it. I thank you very much for watching me ramble on for 20 minutes. Have a good day.